An organizer have to be extraordinarily capable with vision and a mission for implementing the thought patterns for a new millennium. Organizers have to be spiritually intellectual, purposefully determined with the power of wisdom, knowledge of the process of yogic evolution beyond all religions. Their life is scientifically meditative with the awareness of one's own divinity, explorable within to cure and heal the wounds or trauma in the psychological minds with mindfulness of power of spirituality and intuitional influences. Hence, organizing ME spirituality is not a small affair.
A project.
It is a big with inspirational, practical motivation to build the team and a millennium with the exceptional interventions of cosmic yogic spirituality.
As MESSOULS.
It's only for MESSOULS
MESSOULS.
in the highest 3 syllabus. Global Manons in the leading styles. Straighteousness only. Straight, straight right and straight left. Luxuries and royal. Kingdom of MESSOULS. Manifestation energy fields. Our manifestation souls all those who are in the expectational lines they should know how to expect, through which path, what is the individuality, what is the cosmic soul consciousness, how my thought patterns are implemented in the day-to-day life with clarity of a vision and a mission. And Global Manon's in the leading styles. Global Manon's horse name is called MESSOULS. I have decided to visit at least 1,200 Manon families with my own vision and mission. I may invite them for my programs too, through member entrance and various programs that's going to be in tune with messengers of love and religion of love concept. Those who love to be a part of my vision and mission, they are welcome. Those who do not want to be in my path, they can live in their own ways. 3,794 INR for Global Manon's entrance amount. Target is 1,23,201 souls. What can be the revenue? Just 46 crores, 74 lakhs, 24,594 rupees. Small amount. For a big global person who has proclaimed about his arrival news in the second coming part also. So only through that many can feel my presence. It's business, spirituality and prosperity tour. Of course there are INR 3,000, INR 2,000, the same 1,23,201 souls each. So that is possible for Straighteousness to think about the beginner programs through ME Unispace. Only those who are dynamic, powerful, creative can think and materialize in that ways. Few words only for those who really want to get connected with me. Bachelors and spinsters, yogis and yoginis, and those who love Bengal Soul's concept to live freely with one's own awareness and consciousness for a new millennium project, Cosmic Consciousness. I am here on this planet, a triennial projections. Two, slowly, it's a beginning from the scratch now. New millennium. Casual words only for real soul gems and jewels who love to be a part of messengers of love and religion of consent for a new millennium. Love to you all.